The International Institute of Hotel Management, IIHM, in association with the WICCI Karnataka Defense Personnel Council, is extremely happy today to collaborate with the wives and the women officers of the Indian Armed Forces. First time in India this is happening and first of its kind ever. The project is called Project Finesse because it's a hospitality skills and culinary workshop. Behind every strong soldier stands a strong woman, and behind every strong woman stands IIHM. Ready to empower them always, anytime, anywhere. Wishing all the very best and salute to all the army officers and the wives of the Indian Armed Forces for their absolutely unspoken valor. We at IIHM are extremely happy and proud to be associated with this unique initiative, and we hope that it's going to be a superb and a grand success. Thank you everyone for joining in. Namaskar.